have you. I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say.
Good evening. It's August 1st and it's been 17 days since I gave birth. I wanted to give a super simple update on how I'm doing postpartum body-wise. I feel really good. I know the first few days, obviously I did not feel great. When I got home, the following few days, I did not feel good. I was in a lot of pain. I did a lot of heat therapy on my tummy. I was taking my pain medications, and I had a lot of sensitivity in my stomach. It's very hard when you have a toddler with you that wants to be carried to avoid that. So emotionally, it was very hard the first few days home. But we got through it, and I'm not as sensitive overall. The biggest thing I think was I was overexerting myself as soon as I got home from the hospital. I was trying to get back to normal, and I was doing errands around the house, just constantly moving. I could not stop moving, and so that really took a toll on my body. My legs were super swollen, my feet were swollen. I was calling it like Shrek feet. I called the doctor because my husband was like, that does not look normal. So I called the doctor. The doctor said go to the emergency room. That night we went to the emergency room. Thank God it wasn't a blood clot or anything. It was just me needing to take bed rest seriously. So that night I got home. I didn't move out of the bed for like 2 days, 3 days. I had my feet elevated. I was continuing on with my pain medications, and I was good. The swelling went down within like 5-6 days, and I have photo before and after of it, of the big difference between overexerting and taking bed rest seriously. My family has been super supportive in my healing process. So I still have pain here and there. Again, it's only been 17 days since the surgery, but I'm feeling so much better than I did the first few days when I got home. I just can't wait for the 4, 5, 6 week mark when I've completely healed, and especially the 8-week mark when I can go and work out and do yoga and do any kind of workout that I want to do. And that is the next time I want to give you guys my body update. So today is more about like how I feel. The 8-week update that I want to do, that I'm planning towards, is going to be a little bit more superficial. It'll be about workouts and, you know, getting back on the road to my optimum health and just feeling good, getting my oxytocin in. Is it oxytocin? What's the word that Elle Woods uses? Okay, I went blank. But anyway, I am looking forward to the 8-week update when we can talk about the fun things like working out and doing all of that good stuff for the body. For Please let me know what else you want to see in the coming weeks. Ray and I have really been working together on getting better quality videos out, and I don't know if you noticed the past few weeks it's been a little bit more different than it has been in the past. It really helps to have an Instagram husband, I swear. I want to create better quality videos, I want to create better content videos. Let me know what you want to see and we want to work on it. It means so much to us that you laughed with us, you cried with us in our last video. We got so many comments on how you guys were so moved with us, and so really appreciate that. So grateful for all the comments and all the love. If you liked this video, if you liked last week's video, please share it. Let us know what else you want to see.